okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
If things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Stoppers. I want to hear your roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar. Your host, me, Heidi Howard. Happy Zoogether Day! Oh! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, lucky guest.
Oh, goodness!
No, the slot.
Me? Oh, so excited!
Now, whatever it is, come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. If you need to be responsible, that's totally standard, okay? No, careful. The flashing one. Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast!
Miss Howard? Are you okay?
Teacher, feeling fine.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Country Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashflow!
Kozlov.
Kozlov.
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
Why snowflakes on fire?
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea! Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you wanna grab a leg? Ooh.
Detectives Hopps and Wilde investigating.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Hauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts. Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all better together.
The marsh is dried up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you. Nibbles! We need to know if anyone saw anything. Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub. Hey,
Hey,
bub.
bub.
Hey, bub. So you did this? Seriously? Oh, it was a clocked wall.
And my face.
Where to next, Hauser?
Little rodentia!
Top of the big fucking tree, eh?
Bark?
What?
Let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shroud! It's your girl, Vroom Vroom. In the rocket shop, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Awesome!
You were gonna get iced.
Daddy! I like one.
confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom are we moving on?
Saving together, day chief.
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks.
Oh, you think his hat has a lot of flies? You should see his.
Wait.
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection. And on a day all about connection. Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined.
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale.
Did someone say finale?
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, VIZ. Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
You're in my dreams.